Today is Wednesday, May 21st, and today I learned that when you mess up, right? When you mess up, when you know you could have done something to prevent a negative situation, or maybe you caused a negative situation or whatever, in whatever capacity, when you mess up and you keep on replaying the moment in your mind and wishing that you were more present in the moment and that you had just done it differently, gone through the process differently. When that happens, you just have to realize that you can't do anything about it. All you can do is learn from it and move on to the next thing and just trust that that was part of the plan. It's all part of the plan. It's all part of the process of your ultimate growth and improvement. Right? So no matter what the situation is in sports, maybe in social situations, right? When you did something embarrassing, or you maybe said something wrong, or maybe you didn't say what you wanted to say in the way that you wanted to say it. There's like, whenever you mess up and you're replaying the moment in your mind and you're thinking, oh, I wish I could have done this, I could have done this, I like shoulda, coulda, woulda kind of thing. Because that happens, right? It happens. But when it happens, don't dwell on it, right? Don't constantly keep replaying it. Just don't dwell on it. Learn from it and move on to the next thing, right? Learn and move on to the next thing. Learn and move on to the next thing. What can you do differently next time? And how can you try to prevent this from happening again, right? And now just move on. Like, once you've learned what you did wrong and how you can do better next time and all of that, just move on. Forget about it. Because the more you dwell on it, the more of an unnecessary impact it has on you. It has all this extra load and burden on you that it doesn't need to have, right? It's like an imaginary burden. Just let go of it, move on, and focus on better things. Don't waste your energy thinking about the past and worrying about the past and being like, oh, I should have done this, I could have done this, I would have, like that kind of thing. Stop doing that. No matter how big of a thing, no matter how small of a thing it is, it just happens, and you just have to learn and move on. Learn and move on, because if you don't move on, then you'll just be stuck, right? And you won't grow. Yeah, and a lot of times we will get those opportunities to try again. And we'll get the same opportunity to do different next time. But that's not going to happen if you don't learn, and that's not going to happen, and it's not going to go well if you don't move on and you don't like be confident in your skills for next time. Be confident and know that, okay, next time this happens, I know what to do now, right? So that is just a small thing that I learned today. If you found this video helpful, then I would love a like or a comment. If you want to see more, then definitely subscribe. This is the video I posted yesterday. You can subscribe in that corner. And if you subscribe, I'll see you in tomorrow's video. Bye.